Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and my channel name is Motivation Life. I saw the unity of nature in my garden. See how they smile together in unity. Do we have same kind of friendship between us? See how they live together in harmony and peace. As you can see this lovely bond between them. See how they live peacefully. How they live amongst insects. And so the rain and sunshine. We can learn many things from Mother Nature. Nature gives us beauty of life and shows us the joy, pleasure, peace and unity. Nature enhances beauty from falls of rain and the shine of sunlight. So let us take a lesson from our Mother Nature. I hope you will like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video those who need this. Thank you and have a nice day.